Hi, Netviewcctv here. Welcome to part 2 of the installation of hard drives in the DS-7716NI-E4/16P. Once you were gone since the part 1, a few things I've done. I've done some cable management. It was actually like this before, so you can compare. I replaced one of the shorter SATA cables support, and I tidied all the cables up. As you can see, there's a cable ties been used to keep it nice and tidy. This basically helps with the airflow. It's just like a PC. You want a good airflow within the unit. There's a little fan. You can see there's a fan there across the motherboard, but also these hard drives will be generating some heat. So you want the air to flow quite freely inside the machine. So keep your cables quite tidy. I put some cable ties around here, cable ties from the power supply, tidying them all up, and along the SATA cables here as well. As you will see, the first two SATA ports are used up by the hard drives. I checked that all the connectors are quite secure. Also, I tightened all the hard drive screws. 1, 2, so that's one hard drive sitting there, and them 2, 4 there, and another hard drive sitting there. So tighten them all up. These 4 are where the DVD writer is sitting. Just make sure that's tight. There you go. Just something to note in future, if you wanted 4 hard drives, this unit can take a maximum of 16 terabytes, and that's 4, 4, 4, and 4. So it's 4 hard drives, each of 4 terabytes. You're holding 16 terabytes, but the DVD writer will have to be removed. You can actually use it as an external eSATA DVD writer if you want to. There's not really any need for it, because you can actually record all your video onto USB stick plugged into the USB ports. So that can be removed, and another 2 SATA hard drives connected there. What else is there? The power supply from the motherboard to the power supply to the motherboard, which is also powering the hard drives and the DVD writer. It's all tidied up. I've taken note of my serial numbers for the hard drives for future reference, and we're good to go. So basically, all I need to do now, put the cover on. Very easy, slides on. A couple of screws on the back. There we go, and that is now 16 channel NVR Hikvision DS-7716NI-E4/16P, all complete, ready to connect up to a monitor. First thing we've got to do, remember, is to initialize the hard drive. Inside the menu, there'll be a wizard. You start up with a wizard. It'll ask you to initialize the hard drive. The hard drive will not work and will not record anything until that procedure is carried out. It's called initialization in the menu. So highlight the hard drive and click Initialize. Hope that's been useful for you. Any questions, please just post and I'll try to reply. Any more demos you want to see, give me a shout and I'll try my best. I will be shortly making a video of when the unit is actually connected and the first steps to go through, or what to do and how to get everything set up. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, You can buy all this, the NVRs, IP cameras, etc., all from our website, www.netviewcctv.co.uk. And I'll see you soon. Bye.